they needed a source of income, and that source was her. Look, Molly's right here. Let me get a picture too. Hang on. Dreads at the beginning of every season when the forsythias are in bloom. Every boat owner dreads starting that boat for the very first time. So what I'm going to do is I'm heading over there. Look at those daffodils, right? We're going to go over to the boat. We've already got the hose in there. As you can see, she's running. Well, the boat's not running, but the water is clearly running from the house to the motor. So now what I'm going to do is get on in here, and I will insert the key into the ignition. Now I'm going to go under here, and I recommend anybody that's got a boat put one of those on. There's a guest switch right there. See, that's a guest switch? And I'm going to turn that on. That activates my power. I'm going to prime my ball here. Prime it. We're going to pump it. We're running gas in there for the first time. It might take a little while here. And you don't want to pump this until the ball is dead hard. You know, some guys overdo this. You want to definitely get the ball, you want to feel the gas in the ball. Yeah, there's a robin over there. He's hiding behind the bushes. Oh, he just took off. There he is. See him sneaking right there? You know it's spring. The robins are here. There he is. The robins are here. The earthworms are doing their thing. It's April 8th right now. And I got some action planned with this boat. There's a Baltimore Oriole up there. Hear that? Oh, I got to put a tangerine or an orange outside. They love those things. Beautiful birds. You don't see them much. They're high treetop birds. See them up there? Wow. Everything's coming up roses here. So robins and Baltimore Orioles and not lilacs, forsythias, and all kinds of good stuff happening, and I'm still pumping the ball, trying to prime the motor, get the gas in there. I feel like I got something going on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to engage that ignition for the first time this year. Depress, lift that up, choke it, push it and choke it. Ooh! Holy cow! Starts right off. Oh, the neighbors love it. The neighbors love it, and I love it. Because what we're looking at here is an engine that is running. After sitting here all winter long, Aquavictus is ready for action. Now, I did bring the boat, as I do in the fall, to my marine guy. I had him check it out. I don't need him to winterize it, but I like him to tune it up at the end of every season, rather than waiting for the spring like so many morons. They'll wait for the springtime and there's a line. And it might take a month and a half before your boat gets looked at. If you bring it in October, November, the odds are pretty good. You're able to get it right in. She's running, huh? Let's put it in gear right now and watch that propeller spin. Make sure that we're not going to get our hose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're ready for that. Sounds good. Bikers are on the bike path. Smoke is in the air, huh? Oil smoke. We gotta love it. Another season, the 2021 season is about to begin on the bigger lakes and of course on the salt. Because the boat fired up, and now it's all about just fixing those little things that every boat needs to have fixed every year. There's a lot of work that goes into owning a boat, but you got to be willing to do it. It's part of the fun. We'll see you soon with fishing historic places. On this restaurant here, ought to be out on a trout stream or a river. But there's work to do. There's going to be plenty of fishing, I'll tell you. I've only been out a few times so far since the season began. But I'm ready. You know what? There's a lot of fish out there that been